It's time for your favorite weekly mathematics quiz competition, Cowbellpedia.
It's great to have you here once again. It's Cowbellpedia, the #1 mathematics quiz show for secondary school students across Nigeria and possibly Africa. It's the 4th prelim round, which means we have 12 contestants on standby, which also means only 8 of them are going to be going home and 4 will be moving on to the semi-final. It's been quite competitive, it's been quite impressive, and the caliber of geniuses we have on display has been one of envy, especially if you know you have what it takes to be here, but you're not here with us. And talking about being here, if you're a student out there and you feel, well, all this is not so hard, I can do much better, make sure you get your school to register. Visit www.cowbellpedia.ng to know how your teacher or your principal can help you with that. We have some more information for you. The home play, yes, we're talking about our Cowbellpedia Best 11. If you're at home, how can you find yourself on this side of the screen? I'll let you in on that as well. Over 47,000 students from over 9,000 schools across the country. They took part in a very difficult exam conducted by NECO in over 240 centers. 108 of them, that is 54 in the junior and 54 in the senior category, have been able to make it this far. They're brilliant, they have what it takes, but they're going to need to dig a bit deeper to take them to the final, because only 2 can be crowned the ultimate Cowbellpedia Junior and Senior Champions 2016. 1 million naira cash prize, yes, that's at stake. 400,000 naira reward to the teachers as well. There's an educational excursion trip outside the country, and of course the bragging rights for the year as well. But the most important thing to take away from Cowbellpedia is that we believe that everybody out there, every student out there, has the potential to be the next inventor. And the potential, we are going to meet them. 6 of them are on standby in the junior category to take us to what we like to call a display of intellect and amazement, speed and accuracy. We also have 6 in the senior category on standby as well. I am Oscar, your quiz master. Cowbellpedia is brought to you by Promasador, the makers of Cowbell Our Milk, and endorsed by NECO.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich. A, C, D, E and K. Plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy new formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, now deliciously creamy.
Welcome back to the #1 mathematics competition for secondary school students. It's Cowbellpedia, it's the 4th prelim, and we have quite a number of things to do today. Now, for those of you at home, we have the home play. You have the opportunity to download the Cowbellpedia app, and I'll also let you in on a little secret, but you need to stick around to find out that. And for those who want to take part in the home play question for this week, here is our question for the week.
Which of the following cannot be a number in base 6? A, 714, B, 312, C, 530, and D, 241.
Be part of the Cowbellpedia Best 11. Type SC, space your name, space location, space your answer to 33121 for a chance to win fabulous prizes for the week.
Practice, they say, makes perfection. So don't forget to go to www.cowbellpedia.ng and practice as many questions as you can from the home play option from the comfort of your home. And if you have an Android device, it's all well and good. From your Google Play Store, download the Cowbellpedia app and start practicing. There is a leaderboard and we're looking for the highest scorers on that leaderboard. And if you're good enough, you just might find yourself here on the stage answering your questions and getting rewarded as well. I am excited to find out from our first 6 contestants in the junior category which one of them has what it takes to move on to the semi-final. It's Cowbellpedia, and we will be right back.
The new Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitality Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Welcome back. The prelims round. We have 2 categories, the junior and the senior. We have a total of 54 contestants in both categories, totaling 108, who have displayed excellence thus far. We have 2 rounds, round 1 and round 2. Now, for you to get the ultimate prize, you need to go through these. Round 1 is our objective questions, where 12 questions are asked, and the best 3 students from round 1 will move on to round 2, which is our Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. You're given 60 seconds to give as many correct answers as possible. At the end of round 1 and round 2, the top 2 students with the highest scores combined will move on to the semi-final. Now, before me, we have 6 contestants in the junior category who are eager to show what they have. But let's take some time to find out who they are, where they're from, and what makes them tick.
I'm Nyemike Atoh from Loyola Jesuit College, Abuja.
Well done, Nyemike. How are you?
Fine.
Great to have you on Cowbellpedia. Would you say in the family you're like the best mathematician?
Yes.
Who else is as good as you, if at all?
Both of my sisters.
Both your sisters? Okay, I wish you all the best in Nyemike. Round of applause to Nyemike, guys. Let's meet our second contestant in the junior category.
Okoli Glory from the Ambassadors College, Atoh.
Glory, welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thank you, sir.
How do you feel being on this stage? Did you ever think this day would come?
Yes.
How long have you been thinking about this day coming? Who told you about Cowbellpedia? Let's start with that.
My teachers.
And if they're watching right now, if you could tell them something, what would you tell them right now?
I'll try my best.
You'll try your best. Welcome and all the best to you, Glory. Great to have you on board. A round of applause to Glory, guys. Let's meet our third contestant.
My name is Mohammed Hashim. I am from Government Day Junior Secondary School, Dangikka, Bauchi.
Great to have you, Mohammed. Is this the first competition you're taking part in?
No.
Which other one have you been in?
Olympiad.
Olympics?
Yes.
Really? Who did you represent?
Our state.
Fantastic. Well done to you. You've done so well. Glad to have you here. Well done, Mohammed. Let's meet our next contestant.
My name is Osagiede Efosa. I'm from Mo International School, Osun State.
Efosa, great to have you on Cowbellpedia. Who do you think will be the happiest in your family if you win this?
My mom.
Your mom. I wish you all the best, Efosa. A round of applause to Efosa. Our next contestant.
My name is Abdullahi. I'm from Ntic, Kano.
Great to have you on board, Maje. How long would you say you've been in love with maths?
Since I was in nursery school.
So if I give you 200 million naira now, and I say if I give you this 200 million, you don't need to solve any other maths question again, would you take the 200 million?
Yes.
You would. So would I, so would I. Welcome, Maje, to Cowbellpedia. Round of applause to Maje. And our final contestant in the junior category.
My name is Victor Mgbemena. I'm from Graceland International School, River State.
Well done, Victor. Great to have you on board. If you were the president for one day, what's that one thing you would do?
Eradicate corruption.
You eradicate corruption. That's a very noble thing to say. But let's find out if you have what it takes to win this competition. To our 6 contestants, welcome to Cowbellpedia. I wish you all the best. Let the games begin. Round 1. Solve the inequality. 9 minus y is less than 3. A, y is less than minus 6, y is greater than minus 6, y is greater than 6, and D, y is less than 6. Great start. Congratulations to all of you. The correct answer is C, y is greater than 6. A round of applause to them. Let's move on to question number 2. Factorize 3x squared y plus 18x squared. A, 3x squared y plus 6. B, 3x plus 18. C, 3x bracket 3y plus 6x. And D, 3x bracket y plus 6. The correct answer is A, 3x squared y plus 6. Nyemike, not to worry, we still have many more questions to go. Well done to the rest of you. Question number 3. A car travels with an average speed of x kilometers per hour. How far does it travel in t hours? A, minus xt, B, xt, C, minus t, and D, t kilometers. Everybody's back on track. B is the correct answer, xt kilometers. Question number 4. Given 4x is equal to 24, find the value of 3x. A, 6, B, 12, C, 18, and D, 15. The correct answer is C, 18, and no one got it wrong. Well done. A round of applause, guys. Question 5. If A varies directly as B and B varies inversely as C, then A varies directly as C, A varies inversely as C, A varies jointly as C, and D, A varies partially as C. The correct answer is B, A varies inversely as C. We had 2 correct answers. Efosa, you know what happened? You didn't put your answer in time. Make sure you get your answer in within 5 seconds, all right? Let's move on to question number 6. In a class of Q students, the average mark is R. Find the total score of students in the class. A minus QR, Q minus R, R plus Q, and option D is QR. Great. A well-deserved break. Correct answer is DQR. A round of applause. Well done, guys. It's quite tight, this first round. We'll be back to take the next 6 questions. Don't forget to download your Cowbellpedia app from the Google Store on all Android devices. We'll be right back.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Welcome back. Practice, they say, makes perfection. Good job so far, guys. Let's move on to question number 7. The square of a negative number is A, complex, B, irrational, C, positive, D, negative. Great start. Correct answer is C, positive. You all got it right. Moving on to question number 8. What is the speed of a car if it covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 4 hours? A, 25 kilometers per hour, B, 40 kilometers, C, 20 kilometers, or D, 10 kilometers per hour? The correct answer is option A, 25 kilometers per hour. Well done again. Wow, this is indeed very tight. Moving on to question number 9. Divide 10 raised to the power 12 by 10 raised to the power 4. A, 10 raised to the power 2, B, 10 raised to the power 7, C, 10 raised to the power 16, and D, 10 raised to the power 8. I think everybody is alert and awake. The correct answer is D, 10 raised to the power 8. Well done to each and every one of you. Well done. We have 2 more questions. Let's find out what the next question is. Question number 10. 57 over 25 is an example of ... A, mixed fraction, B, improper fraction, C, normal fraction, D, proper fraction. Efosa, what was your answer?
Proper fraction.
Why is that?
Because the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Mohammed, do you agree?
Yes.
Well, I guess every other person agrees with both of you. The correct answer is B, improper fraction. You all got it right. Let's move on to question number 11. Well done to all of you so far. What is the reciprocal of 0.002? A, 200, B, 300, 400, or D, 500? The correct answer is D, 500. Yet again, you all got it right. This is a deciding question for some of you. There is a tie, so try as much as possible to get this one correct. Question number 12. Express 8.3 kilometers in meters. A, 8,300 meters, B, 83,000 meters, C, 830 meters, and D, 83 meters. Correct answer is A, 8,300 meters. Well done. A round of applause to each and every one of them. But let's find out who will be moving on. We have 5 of you on a tie, but only 1 of you has been able to move on successfully with 60 points. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Glory Okoli a round of applause. Well done, Glory. Please, can you step down while we play the tie break in round 1? Now, the rules of this tie break. To break the tie and determine the best 3 that will move on to round 2, a set of 3 questions will be asked, and we're going to take the most correct answers in the fastest time. So not only do you need to get it right, you need to get it right very quickly. You've done so far so good. I wish you all the best. Let's move on to our tie break in round 1. You are all on 55 points, but whatever you score in this tie break will not be added to your final score. All the best. A train travels for X hours at a speed of Y kilometers per hour. How far does it go? A, XY kilometers, B, X minus Y, C, X plus Y, and D, X over Y kilometers. The correct answer is A, XY kilometers, and well done to each and every one of you. You all got it right. Let's move on to question number 2. When 10 is added to y and the sum is multiplied by 2, the result is 60. Which of the following equations satisfies the statement? A, y bracket 10 plus 2 is equal to 60, 10 bracket y plus 2 is equal to 60, 2 bracket y minus 60 is equal to 10, or D, 2 bracket y plus 10 is equal to 60. Well done again to everyone. You all got it right, so you're all on 2/2. Let's move on to question number 3. If y is equals to 9x squared minus 1, find x when y is 80. A plus minus 3, B plus minus 9, plus minus 4, or D plus minus 2. I guess this question threw some of you off balance. The correct answer is A plus minus 3. We had 3 correct answers. Well done to Nyemike, Maje, and Victor. But let's see how many of you answered the right questions in the fastest time possible. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The fastest 2 have moved on. They got 3 points equally. So well done to Maje and Victor, who both were able to answer on average their questions. Maje was 0.448 seconds and Victor was 0.625 seconds. Nyemike, Mohammed, and Efosa, well done to 3 of you. Unfortunately, this is where the train stops for you on Cowbellpedia. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Nyemike, Efosa, and Mohammed.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich. A, C, D, E and K. Plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy new formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, now deliciously creamy.
Welcome back. Still the prelims, junior category is the 4th prelim to be precise, and we have our 3 contestants in round 2. Gloria Okoli is leading the pack with 60 points. Maje, Shuaibu, and Victor just came out of a tie break, both on 55 points. I wish you all the best. This is round 2, the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame, where you have 60 seconds to give me as many correct answers as possible. Speed is very vital in this particular round. You've done so far so well. I wish you all the best. Are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame?
Yes, Chris.
Yes, Chris.
I need to hear you guys, okay? So Glory, you're gonna go first, followed by Maje, followed by Victor, in that order. Glory, are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. Your 60 seconds starts now. Simplify 5x minus 3y plus
2x minus 7y.
Correct. Expand x divided by 3
X squared over 9.
Correct. When is the value of a minus b divided by 9 when a is minus 10 and b is 30?
4.
Correct. Solve for x in
7.
Correct. Find 1/4 of 32y.
8y.
Correct. What is the value of x if 3x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 6?
5.
Correct. Find the HCF of 10ax squared and
2ax.
Correct. What is the coefficient of x squared in y equals to 7?
Minus 5.
Correct. If 4/5 is equal to
20.
y. Correct. Simplify minus p bracket u minus v.
Minus pu plus pv.
Correct. What is the highest power in a linear equation?
1.
Correct. Evaluate 3x squared divided by y squared.
Skip.
Find the HCF of HDE and 4D. Correct. Find the LCM of x raised to power 4 and y raised to power 3.
X raised to power 4, y raised to power 3.
Correct. Find the value of minus xy plus 2y if x is 3 and y is 4.
Minus 12 plus 8, that is minus 4.
Correct. Well done. That was quite fast, Glory. Well done. Well done. Maje, are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. If p plus 5 is equal to 10,
25.
Correct. Find the value of k if k
1 over 5.
Correct. Simplify 2 bracket a minus 3 plus 3 bracket
Skip.
8. Solve the equation k plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Correct. Find the inverse of 1 over 2 x raised to the power minus
4x
2.
squared.
Incorrect. Simplify b minus 3 divided by 2 plus b plus 5.
2b plus 2 over 2.
Incorrect. Factorize 5x plus
5 into x plus 3.
Correct. Find the inverse of 1 divided by 3 raised to 3y.
3y raised to the power 4.
Correct. If 40 minus x is a true statement, what is the
20.
value? Correct. If 17 is equal to 8 plus 5, correct. 3x is equal to 27,
9.
Correct. If x is 6 and y is 2, find the value of x.
144.
Correct. Solve the inequality, 8 over x is greater than or equal to 2.
Skip.
What is the value of k in the equation k divided
27.
by... Correct. If x is 2 and y is 3, find the value of 5x minus
1.
3y. Correct. Simplify 2 raised to the power 3 divided by... Correct. Convert 2.5 days to hours.
That's it.
Incorrect. If 8 workers can clear a field in 32
That's
days... Correct. Well done, Maje. Now, while I catch my breath, Victor, are you ready for your Carbopedia 60 Seconds of Fame?
Yes, excuse me, Master.
I wish you all the best. Your Carbopedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Calculate 1 minus 25 over 50.
Half.
Correct. How many scores are there in 60 units?
60.
Incorrect. Find the simple interest on 500 naira at 5% interest rate per annum for 2
50.
years. Correct. Find the next term in the numbers 10, 14, 19, 25.
That's 4.
Incorrect. How many decades are there in 1 century?
10.
Correct. What is the simple interest on 600?
64.
Correct. What is the multiplicative inverse?
3.
Correct. Write 700,000 in standard form.
7.0 times 10 raised to the power 5.
Correct. Find the square root of 9 times 16 times 25.
60.
Correct. Simplify
10 raised to the power 8.
Correct. Round off 1,404.52 to the nearest unit.
1,405.
Correct. Express 30
3.0
million.
times 10 raised to the power 7.
Correct. Express 49 in
10
index
raised to the power
form.
2.
Correct. Express 1 over 4 of a million in standard form.
350,000.
Incorrect. 42 oranges are shared between Emi and Olu. If Emi got 8 less than Olu, how many oranges did Olu get? What's your answer?
Olu got 42.
Incorrect. Victor is on 110 points. Unfortunately, this means you will not proceed to the semi-final, but you did incredibly well, especially in this 60 seconds. You did very, very well. Wish you all the best, and you still have that potential to be the next inventor. Well done to you. We're very proud of you, and I'm sure your school is. A round of applause to Victor, guys. Glory and Maje, congratulations to both of you. You moved on to the semi-final. We have 2 contestants to join them from the senior category as well. Find out who they are after the break right here on Carbopedia.
The new Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitalrich Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Welcome back. Still Carbopedia, but this time we're moving to the senior category where we need 2 more contestants to join in the semi-final. We have 6 eager mathematicians, gurus, geniuses, whatever you like to call them. They're the best of the best in their states and score. but they're gonna need something a bit extra to take them beyond this stage. For those of you at home, keep practicing. Practice, they say, makes perfection. And don't forget to download the Cowbellpedia app from the Google Play Store on all Android devices. Let's meet our 6 senior contestants.
Nyemike from Harcourt Secondary School, North Bank, Makurdi, Benue State.
How are you doing, Atoh? Great to have you on board.
Thanks, sir.
I'm wondering what went through your family's mind when they heard that you're coming to Cowbellpedia?
They were happy.
Great to have you on board. A round of applause to Nato.
Good blessing from the Ambassador's College, Ogun State.
It's good to have you here. Blessing, very good with numbers, I hear, and wish you all the best on Cowbellpedia. A round of applause to her, please. Let's meet our next contestant.
Abdullahi from Federal Government Academy, Suleja, Niger State.
Great to have you on Cowbellpedia, Abdul Samad. Who do you think is like the best role model to you?
Chikeobi.
I hope he's watching you, and I wish you all the best. And I'm guessing you also want to be a professor one day?
Yes.
Professor of mathematics. Well done. A round of applause to Abdul Samad. Let's meet our next contestants.
I'm Ejembi Stephen Isaac from Blue Crescent Secondary School, Sokoto State.
Great to have you on board, Stephen. What is that thing that you love doing?
Solving mathematics.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well done, well done. All the way from Sokoto, you've made your school very proud by getting this far. Congratulations, a round of applause to Stephen. Let's meet our next contestant.
My name is Adebisi Akinloluwa from Bibo Academy, Malaysia.
Well done, Akinloluwa. Are you like Stephen that you only love maths, there's nothing else you do in your spare time?
I love playing football.
Football, yes, we've had a couple of footballers here. I wish you all the best as you make your journey to the finals. A round of applause to Akinloluwa, guys. And last but not the least, what is your name?
Oluwa from the Ambassador's College, Atoh, Ogun State.
Great to have you. How far do you think you're going to go?
God's will.
All the way. God's will. Well done. Great to have you on board, Oluwa. A round of applause to him, ladies and gentlemen. To those of you at home, our viewers, our students, or any guardian, anybody interested in listening to Cowbellpedia, you have the opportunity to do that on radio as well. The Cowbellpedia radio show is on between 6:15 and 7:30 a.m. on select radio stations across Nigeria. Visit www.cowbell.ng to find out which station and what time it's airing in your state. Let's move on to our rounds. We have 2 rounds. We have round 1, which is our objective questions, 12 questions to be precise. Only 3 of you will make it to round 2. Those of you with the highest scores. At the end of round 2, which is our Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame, the top scorers from round 1 and round 2 will move on to the semi-final. I wish you guys all the best. We already have 2 in the semi-finals from the junior category. Let's find out which 2 will make it to the semi-final from the senior category. Round 1 starts now. What is the intersection of universal set and null set? A, universal set, B, empty set, subset, or infinite set? Well done to all of you. You all got the correct answer, which is B, empty set. Let's give them a round of applause. You're all on 5 points. Let's move on to question number 2. Which of the following is equivalent to 7 times 9? A, 7 raised to the power 2 minus 1, 8 raised to the power 2 minus 1, 7 raised to the power 2 plus 1, or D, 8 raised to the power 2 plus 1? Nato, what was your answer?
X squared minus 1.
That's option B?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from my screen here, I'm seeing that you didn't put in your answer in time. Okay, so make sure you put in your answer in time. You have 5 seconds to do so. The rest of you, well done. Let's move on to question number 3. Find the value of the ratio P to Q if 8P is equal to 14Q. A, 4 over 7, B, 7 over 4, C, 7 over 8, and D, 8 over 7. The correct answer is B, 7 over 4. Abdul Samad, not to worry. Like I always say, it's not how you start, but how you finish on this competition. Let's move on to question number 4. A sequence in which the terms have a common difference is called A, common difference, geometric progression, series, or D, arithmetic progression. Correct answer is D, arithmetic progression. Well done to all of you. Let's move on to question number 5. What is 20% of 40? A, 4, B, 32, 48, or D, 8? The correct answer is option D, which is 8. 5 of you got it right, 1 incorrect. Let's move on to question number 6. Tolu is faster than Jane and Peter is slower than Tolu. Which of the following statements is accurate? A, Peter is faster than Jane. Peter is slower than Jane. Peter is the fastest. Tolu is the fastest. The correct answer is D. Tolu is the fastest. Well done. NATO, make sure you get your answer in quickly, all right? You only have a 5-second window. Let's move on to the next set of questions after the break. 6 down, 6 to go. It's a very tight race, but let's find out who will stay and who will go. Download your Cowbellpedia app from your Google Play Store on all Android devices. Cowbellpedia will be right back after the break.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich. A, C, D, E and K. Plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy new formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, now deliciously creamy.
Welcome back. It's the 4th prelim. It's a senior category. Round 1, 6 questions down, 6 more to go. It's a very tight one, but the next 6 questions will set everyone apart. Let's move on to question number 7. Find the x-intercept of y is equals to 5x plus 3. Minus 3 over 5, minus 3, 3, and 5. The correct answer is A, minus 3 over 5. We have 3 correct, 3 incorrect. Let's move on to question number 8.
List the members of the set X such that 1 is less than or equal to X and X is less than 8, where X belongs to the set of natural numbers. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well, that was an easy one. You all got it right. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's move on to question number 9. So encourage them with a round of applause. It's not easy. What is the probability of getting at least 11 if 2 dice are rolled at the same time? A, 1 over 12, B, 1 over 18, C, 11 over 12, and D, 17 over 18. The correct answer is A, 1 over 12. Congratulations to Abdul Samad and Blessing, who got it right. The rest of you, not to worry. We still have some more questions to go. 3 to be precise. Let's move on to question number 10. Solve the equation y raised to the power 2 is equals to 121. A plus minus 2, plus minus 11, plus minus 3, and D plus minus 4. Correct answer is B, plus minus 11, and everyone seems to be back on the saddle. Well done to all of you. You all got it right. Let's give them a round of applause. Question 11. If x varies over the set of real numbers, which of the following is represented by -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1? A, -4 is less than x, x is less than or equal to 2. B, -4 is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to 3. C, -4 is less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to 2. And D, -4 is less than or equal to x, x is less than 2. Well done. Correct answer is D, -4 is less than or equal to x, less than 2. You all got it right. Let's move on to our final question. Unlike most rounds, this question is very important to some of you, okay? Wish you all the best. Well done so far. Question number 12. If b is positive and b minus 5 is less than 0, which of the following is the set of values of b? A, 0 is less than or equal to b, less than 5. B, 0 is less than b, b is less than or equal to 5. 0 is less than b, b is less than 5. Or 0 is less than or equal to b is less than or equal to 5. The correct answer is C. 0 is less than b is less than 5. Two correct answers. But let's see who would be staying and who would be leaving us at this round. Congratulations to one of you who has been able to scale through to round 2 with 55 points. A round of applause to Blessing. Unfortunately, Atoh, Akinloluwa, you both scored 35 and 45 points respectively, which means you'll be leaving us at this junction. To Abdul Samad, to Stephen, and to Awolowo, you're all on 50 points, which means you're going to move into a tie break. But let's give a round of applause to Atoh and Akinloluwa.
Which of the following cannot be a number in base 6? A, 714, B, 312, C, 530, and D, 241.
Be part of the Cowbellpedia Best 11. Type SC, space your name, space location, space your answer to 33121 for a chance to win fabulous prizes for the week.
Congratulations on making it this far. This is a tie. You're all on 50 points, which means that we need to move into our first tie break in round 1. I'm going to ask a set of 3 questions. I'm looking for the most correct answers and the quickest average time. I wish you all the best. Which of the following quadratic function is a maximum function? A, y is equals to 5 minus 3x minus x squared. Y is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 2. 7 minus 4x plus x squared, and y is equals to 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. The first question, the correct answer is option A, y is equals to 5 minus 3x minus x squared. We had 2 correct answers, 1 incorrect. Let's move on to question number 2. Make R the subject of the formula if A is equals to 7bc plus r squared. A is equals to r square root of a minus 7bc, a plus 7bc, a minus 7bc over 2, or r is equals to square root of a2 plus 7bc. The correct answer is A. R is equals to square root of a minus 7bc. Well done to all of you. You got that right. Let's move on to question number 3. And this is a deciding question as well. All the best. If A over B is equals to C over D, which of the following is true? A, AD is equals to BC, A is equals to C, AC is equals to BD, or B is equals to D. The correct answer is option A, AD is equals to BC. But let's find out who will be staying and who will be moving on. Irrespective of the results, you all did extremely well. The fastest time we have here is 0.75 seconds. Unfortunately, the train stops for Abdul Samad. You got 2 points in 0.9 57 seconds. A round of applause to him, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. Congratulations to Oluwa and Stephen. You'll be joining Blessing in round 2, our Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Welcome back. It's still the 4th prelim, the Cowbellpedia 2016, the senior category, and we're looking for those 2 contestants that will move on to the semi-final. We're just out of a tie break, but please remember that whatever you scored in your tie break will not be added to your final score. Congratulations to Oluwa, Stephen, and Blessing. It's time for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. I'm going to give you 60 seconds, and you're going to give me as many correct answers as possible. We're going to go in this order. Blessing, followed by Stephen, followed by Oluwa. Blessing, you're leading the pack with 55 points. Stephen and Oluwa, you're tied at 50 points. I wish you all the best. Blessing, are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame? Wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. If E is equals to KR, find the value of K when E is equals to 4. Correct. If Tony is R minus 6 years old now, how old?
R plus 4.
Correct. If 104 base X is equals to 68, find the value of... Correct. If Y is equals to KT, find K when Y is 3T is 6.
1 over 2.
Correct. What is the area of a rectangle which is X plus 2 centimeters long?
XY plus 2Y.
Correct. Solve the equation X squared
X is minus 1 or minus 3.
Correct. Solve the equation 2X is equals to
minus 3.
Correct. Find X if 1 over X minus 1 over 10. Correct. 2/3 of a piece of land is 48 meters square. What is the total area of the land?
72.
Correct. Complete the bracket in the statement. 10x minus 5 is equals to 5 bracket.
2x minus 1.
Correct. Simplify 10x minus 7y minus
4x
6.
4x minus 2y.
Correct. If A is an odd integer and B is an even integer, the sum of A and B is... Correct. Complete the bracket in the statement. 2n plus 8n is equals
n plus 4n.
Correct. Simplify 18x cubed y
2xy.
Correct. Wow. Well done, Blessing. Very impressive. Stephen, are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Solve the inequality x plus 2 is greater than 3.
X is greater than 1.
Correct. A fisherman caught 30 fish, 8x of them, and had...
11.
Correct. If xy is equal to 12 and both x and y are positive integers, let's...
Skip.
Make R the subject of the equation.
C over 2 pi.
Correct. If in mixed school, there are x minus 10 boys and x plus 10 girls. The number of students in the school
2x.
is... Correct. X years ago, the square of Ibrahim's age was 49. How old is Ibrahim?
7.
Incorrect. Make A the subject of the equation ax...
B over x.
Correct. If a class of x students, the average age is y, the total of their ages is...
xy.
Correct. A quadrilateral has its interior angles at x... Make x the subject of the formula of the equation x
B minus A.
Correct. The LCM of 6xy and 5y squared is?
xy.
Incorrect. What is the smallest integer such that minus x minus 20 is less than 30?
X is less than minus 10.
Incorrect. The temperature
Skip.
of a trader bought an item at the cost of 200 naira and later
80
sold it.
Naira.
Correct. Well done. Take a deep breath. Well done to you, Stephen. That was very impressive as well. Oluwa, I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Find the value of x in log
minus 1.
Correct. Simplify log 5 base 10. Correct. Find the equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c 0.
Skip.
Evaluate 4 raised by x equal to 32.
5/2.
Correct. If Charles borrowed 100 naira,
Skip.
round off 204.7 to two significant figures.
200.
Correct. Round off 7,693,000.
7,700,000.
Correct. Convert 400 base 5 to base 10.
Skip.
The shorter hand of a clock points to 4. What number does it point to after 3 hours?
7.
Correct. If log x base 10
1,000.
Correct. Simplify log root 2.
1/2.
Correct. Express 700,000.
7 times 10 to the power 5.
Correct. Express 234,757 to 3.
235,000.
Correct. If x equals to odd numbers and y is even numbers, find x intersection. Correct. The speed of a car is 30 kilometers per hour. Find the distance.
120 kilometers.
Correct. How many cartons would be needed to hold 600 yogurts if a carton can hold 50 apiece?
12.
Correct. Well done. At the end of round 2, some of you have a shot at being famous, but some of you will have to go home now. Or just one person, actually. 125 points is the leader of this set, followed by 115 points. And the final person is on 90 points, and that person is Stephen. Well done, Stephen. Unfortunately, your train stops here. Congratulations to Ayoluwa and Blessing. A round of applause to Stephen, ladies and gentlemen. To Blessing and to Ayoluwa, well done. Your speed, your accuracy has served you well, and you'll need more of that in the semi-final. You join Maje and Glory. There's a 4th prelim, and I wish you all the best. See you very soon. Let's give them a round of applause. It's been quite a ride. We have 9 prelims left in this competition. At the end of that, 3 semi-finals and then 1 final. 4 down, we got 5 more to go. For those of you at home, don't forget to practice and practice and practice, because practice makes perfection. Download the Cowbellpedia app from your Google Store and of course on all Android devices. And for students out there who want to be part of Cowbellpedia next season, get your teacher or your principal to register your school. Each school is entitled to 5 candidates per grade. So you have 5 in the junior and 5 in the senior category. And if you're good enough, you might get a chance to represent your school. For more information, tell your teacher or your principal to visit www.cowbellpedia.ng. Innovation is the outcome of a habit and not a random act. A person called Sunkat Ratnatkar mentioned that. And the idea is that you need to keep practicing. It's not by accident. And that's why we encourage you at home. And of course, those of you here to keep practicing via the Cowbellpedia mobile app. I'm Oscar, your quiz master. Join me for yet another prelim right here on the stage. Same time, same station. Bye for now.